I've been sent this Jurassic Park thing. And this was sent in by Stuart. And Stuart says, "Hi, Dave and Steve. I hope you can bring this dinosaur back to life. We bought it on holiday in Florida. It was $9.99. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get two free? Wife got the Jaws version. I got Jurassic Park and a random toy. Nice. I thought it had dead batteries, but it is not to be. The only thing that happens is a white screen when pressing reset. Good luck. Thanks for all the amazing videos." You're welcome. So thanks, Stuart, for sending this in. He sent it to my P.O. box, which is this here. I don't know which way it comes. Yeah, let's have a look at this thing. It seems quite interesting. It looks like it's a little TV screen, a little monitor that shows clips of Jurassic Park, which is quite strange, but it's got a little remote control. And it's in a box. I don't know if you've noticed, but my counter's gone over 100, my plastic melting counter device. Anyway, I'm sure I can rectify that today by melting this. Okay. Let's have a look. Universal City Studios. Made in China. Okay, well, where do the batteries go? Let's open this up, see if the batteries go in the back. Yes, they do. 3 AAAs. That looks a little bit rusty. But not bad at all, really. I used to be good at that. Okay, power. It's not doing anything. Right, let's see if it does the white screen with the reset, like you said. Yes, it does. So it is obviously getting power to it. Right, well, I think before I go trying to open this up, let's just make sure we've got 4.5 volts on these battery terminals. Multimeter in voltage DC. We've got 4.8 volts. Nice. Right, let's try and take it apart.
Yo, check out the size of this little TV though. It ain't working, gotta try and fix up so we can watch clips of Jurassic Park. Or maybe not if the screen stays dark. First we gotta thank Lee Benz and Co. And not forgetting the support hero. Anthony D number 3 before and at number 4 Alt Sigma 4. Can we jig and stop with an understay? Fair enough, have a free TV. Adam Taylor is a dino or bird. Don't be absurd, says Dr. Brita's wizard. Guru says birds are dinosaurs though. Tim House Magdeburg say it ain't so. Let's see if we can give this TV a watch by moving on quickly after Badger Squatch. Heart Attack, Mongolian, Kip Lee, Michael Biggie, Kip Hakes, Reevesy, Mike Cutley, Larry W, Ozzy B, John Bruchet, James Fryman, get the money. Sam Boone, Frosty Cool, Slug, Kissax, Jonathan Hart and Steve Stepanek, Flux, Andy Banks, Nate Lucas, Sarah Cat, Dennis Brown and Eddie the Jet, that's that. Peace.
Okay, there's no signs of corrosion inside it. Let's just see if we're getting the 4.5 volts at this point here. Let's pop these batteries back in. And the multimeter is still on voltage DC. Yeah, 4.8 volts. So the voltage is getting to the board. Oh, is that a speaker? Yeah, I guess that's the speaker. Oh, I'm curious. Let's have a look. Yes, it is the speaker. Right, well, I don't have to worry about that, do I? Right, so let's have a look at this little board. I mean, it is a blob chip, so if the blob chip's gone, there's not going to be anything I can do with this, is there? Right, let's do what we would normally do. Let's see if there's any shorts. Multimeter on continuity. Right, I need a ground. Well, let's use that for now. No, there are no shorts. Got 3 little transistory things there. Then we'll get this under the microscope and we'll just give it a quick visual inspection. Right, so we've got this thing here, which is marked up as S1. I'm not sure what that is. S1, don't know. Does that capacitor look a bit dodge? Maybe. Not sure what this thing is. Right, well that didn't help, because there's not a lot on this, and the other side is just the screen. So let's put the batteries back in, and let's see if anything's getting warm. I can see the screen changing there. I don't know whether you can see that. You see a slight flicker on the screen when I press the power button. I don't know whether that's coming across on the camera. No, don't know. You might just have to take my word for it. Right, let's see if anything's getting warm. I don't think it will be. Right, so we've got nothing there. Let's press the power button and see if anything warms up straight away. Nope. So, what on earth is going to be wrong with this? Right, well let's try and follow the voltage round. And let's just see if it's where it's going and if there's anywhere that it doesn't go. Multimeter in voltage DC. Right, so we've got it definitely there. 4.8, and then where does it go? Into that capacitor. And where does it go after that? From there it goes into there. And then it goes to there. Then where does it go after that? Looks like it goes up here. 4.8. Oh. Then does it go into the blob chip? 4.8. 2.6. 3.2. Why is there so many different voltages? 1.4. All of these are going into this blob chip. See if we've got anything on these voltage regulators. So there's one there on its own, on this side of the board. It's got 3.2 coming out of it. Let's see what's on these ones. I'm saying the voltage regulators, I don't know what they are, some kind of transistory thing. 3.2. 3.2. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix this. I think it's going to be the blob chip. I mean, there was that one dodgy looking capacitor, but let's just see what's under the screen. Not a lot, no components, but we've got some what look like test points and also some via/vias. Just check that. I mean, it might be a screen problem, but there's no sound, is there? Yeah, that all looks fine, doesn't it? Right, I don't know how old this thing is, so I'm just going to check this capacitor. I'm just going to take it off. I mean, I don't think it's going to be that, but make sure the batteries are out. Right, what should it be? Should be 100 microfarad 16 volt. Let's see what it is reading. 105. So that's fine. I mean, I'm saying it's fine. It might have low ESR, I don't know, because I haven't got an ESR reader. And I should probably get one. While it's out, let's swap it for another one. Right, nice shiny fresh one. Right, what else could it be? I mean, let's just try that. It's obviously not going to work, but let's try it for science. Nope, same thing. Nah, I think we're going to have to go back under the microscope. Right, because this one's slightly discoloured, I'm going to take it off. But I'm pretty sure at this point that it's going to be this blob chip. But well, let's just quickly measure it on capacitance. Do we get a reading? I mean, it is still warm. 24 microfarad. Yeah, I don't know if that's right or not, do I? I think I'm going to try changing that out. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It just looks a little bit discoloured, doesn't it? But I think it's fine. I'm going to put, well, it was measuring 25 or so. I'm going to put let's do 100 microfarad for fun. Right, let's get this old one off. I mean, I don't think this is going to do anything, but let's find out. Right, which one was power? Can't remember. That one must be reset. So it's this one. Nope, same thing. It's going to be this blob chip. There's nothing I can do about it, is there? I mean, I will say at this point, I've gone around and I've checked. All the resistors are all reading correctly. I've not taken all of the little capacitors off, but there's no shorts on here, so the voltages do seem to be present. It's got to be the blob chip. It's got to be. I like to see it working. Right, I've been messing about with this for a while now, and I've been putting pressure on this blob chip. Look at that. You see this screen light up then? And if I press the power button, it comes on and goes off again. And that seems to be in this point here of the blob chip. There we go. And if I keep pressing it down, it stays on, but nothing actually happens. You know, we don't get an actual image on the screen. But if I let go, it goes off. So in my mind, in fact it doesn't, yeah, it's doing it there as well. It doesn't do it on that side, so it's definitely on this side of the blob chip. So for me, that's kind of confirmed that it is the blob chip. There's nothing I can do. I mean, I could try and scrape it away and look to see if there's any bond wires gone, but the chances are I'll just completely ruin it anyway, so there's no point me doing it. I'm thinking about it, but no, there's no point. Stupid bond wires. Bond?
Meeting